In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import audio or samples inside our Pro Tools. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pro Tools like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to Files and go down to Import. Then from here, you can see Import Audio. You can also click Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard or L on your keyboard and click right here. Then from here, you need to select the file that you want to import. And I have this file over here from Luberman right here. As you can see here, now it's over the clip. And I need to add this over to this one over here. Just click Add Clip over here and click Done. And then click Yes. Then this page should be popping up Audio Import Options. And you can either add new track or clip list if you want to do that. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose New Track. And as you can see here, now it has successfully been imported. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!